Hi children, welcome back to Vidyarthi tutorials. So children, in the previous class we have started chapter 1 integers. So today we are going to see exercise 1.1 from the integers chapter. Are you ready? Then let's begin our class now. So exercise 1.1. Look at the first question children. Following number lines shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So here is a number line and there are temperatures of different places on a particular day. So the temperatures were in degrees centigrade. Now let us answer these questions by the number line. See the number line over there. So this is the number line and these are the places. What are the places given? Lahul Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty and Bangalore. So firstly, let us arrange all the values on the number line so that we will know the degrees centigrade, that is the temperature of individual places. So let us do that. So here I have arranged the numbers on the number line. So after 0 we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. So after arranging, let us answer the questions they have asked. So let's see the first question. See the first question. Observe this number line and write the temperature of places marked on it. So first question is, we have to write the temperatures. So let the Lahul Spiti temperature be, how much it is? Here it is somewhere around -8 degrees centigrade. So Lahul Spiti temperature is -8 degrees centigrade. And Srinagar's temperature is 0, -1, -2. So Srinagar's temperature is -2 degrees centigrade. And next, let us see the Shimla's temperature. So Shimla's temperature is how much? It is exactly 5 degrees centigrade. Next, look at the Ooty's temperature. Ooty. So in Ooty it is around 14 degrees centigrade. So Ooty's temperature is 14 degrees. And Bengaluru. So in Bengaluru how much it is? It is around 22 degrees centigrade. So 22 degrees centigrade. Okay children. Now let's move on to the next one. Next question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So observe the number line children. Tell me which is the place is hottest. It is Bengaluru. Yes, Bengaluru has recorded 22 degrees centigrade. So hottest place is Bengaluru and coldest place is Lahul Spiti. So what is the temperature over there? It is -8 degrees centigrade. So 22 minus of -8, because we need to find out the difference. So minus into minus is plus. So 22 plus 8 we get 30 degrees centigrade. Understood children? Now let's see other question. Next question. Look at the next question children. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. We have to find out the difference of those temperatures. What is the temperature recorded in Lahul Spiti? It is -8 degrees centigrade. And in Srinagar, it is -2 degrees centigrade. So -8 minus of -2. So minus into minus, it becomes plus. So -8 plus 2, we get -6 degrees centigrade. So answer is -6 degrees centigrade. Now let's move on to the next question. So look at the next question children. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So here there are two places, Srinagar and Shimla. So what is the temperature at Shimla? It is around 5 degrees centigrade. And temperature at Srinagar, it is minus 2 degrees centigrade. So 5 degrees centigrade minus 2 degrees centigrade. They are asking us to find out the temperature taken together at Srinagar and Shimla. That means we must add these temperatures. So temperature at Srinagar is minus 2 and temperature at Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade. So minus 2 plus 5 we get 3 degrees centigrade. So is this temperature less than the temperature at Shimla? So if we compare 3 with 5, it is less than 5. So 3 is less than 5. So this answer is yes. It is less than the temperature at Shimla. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Is minus 3 is less than minus 2? No. Minus 3 is greater than minus 2. Okay children? So it is less than Shimla and it is greater than Srinagar. Understood children? Question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So here a quiz is conducted and marks were allotted to this quiz. So for a correct answer we get positive marks and for negative answer that means for incorrect answer we get negative marks. So here are the Jack scores for 5 successive rounds. So 5 successive rounds here are conducted. So what was his total at the end? Then what is the total score of Jack at the end? So let's see here. So let us write the Jack scores first. So 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. So we have to find the total. Total means we have to add all these scores. So let us keep the positive sign, that is plus sign in between these integers. So 25 plus of minus 5 plus of minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. So 25 plus into minus is minus, plus into minus is minus. So 25 minus 5 minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. So here what we have to do, let us arrange all the positives at one place and negatives at one place. So 25 plus 15 plus 10 minus 5 minus 10. So if we add all these positive integers we get 50 minus 5 minus 10. It is minus 15. So 50 minus 15 it is 35. So Jack's total score is 35. So at the end of this quiz, Jack has got 35 as his total score. Question number 3. At Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees centigrade on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature on this day? So, at Srinagar, temperature is minus 5 degrees centigrade. So, on Monday, what is the temperature of Srinagar? It is minus 5 degrees centigrade. After that, what happened? It dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. That means it decreased by 2 degrees centigrade. So, drop means which sign we have to keep? We have to keep the minus sign, that is negative sign. So it is minus 2 degrees centigrade. So now we can find the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. So Tuesday's temperature is, if we do this, we will get minus 7 degrees centigrade. So minus 5 minus 2. We have to add and keep the negative sign. So 5 2 it is 7 and minus minus it is minus. So temperature on Tuesday is minus 7 degrees centigrade. Next, what we have to find? On Wednesday, it rose up by 4 degrees centigrade. So what happened? Suddenly the temperature has increased by 4 degrees centigrade. That means increase means positive. So plus 4 degrees centigrade. So minus 7 plus 4. So both of them are having different signs. That means what we have to do? We have to subtract and keep the highest value sign. So 7 minus 4 is 3 and 7 is having the highest value. So 7's sign is minus, that is negative. So answer is minus 3 degrees centigrade. So therefore the temperature on Wednesday is minus 3 degrees centigrade. So Tuesday how much we got? We got minus 7 degrees centigrade. Understood children? So temperature on Tuesday is minus 7 degrees centigrade. Temperature on Wednesday is minus 3 degrees centigrade. Now let's see question number 4. Question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So if you observe the picture here, it is clearly drawn. So here is a plane flying at the height of 5000 meters above the sea level. So it is above the sea level. And there is a submarine under the sea which is below the sea level at 1200 meters. Now they are asking us to find out the distance between the plane and the submarine. So what we have to do? We have to add these values. So height of the plane is 5000 meters and submarine is 12,000 meters. So how to find out the vertical distance? If we add this 5000 and 12,000, we get 6,200 meters. So therefore the vertical distance between them is 6,200 meters. Understood children? Now let's see question number 5. Question number 5. Mohan deposits 2000 rupees in his bank account and withdraws 1642 from it the next day. If the withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So here there is a person called Mohan and he deposited 2000 rupees in his bank account. So after that what happened? Immediately next day he went to the bank and he withdrawn 1642 rupees again from his account. Now they are asking us to find out the balance in the Mohan's account after withdrawal. So after withdrawing the money, how much money is left in his bank account? So and they are also telling us to find out how will you represent the amount deposited. So here amount is getting deposited means amount is adding up to the bank account, no? So amount deposited by the Mohan on Monday will be minus 2000 or plus 2000. It will be positive, obviously positive value. So it will be plus 2000 rupees. So how will you represent? We will represent as plus 2000. So amount deposited by Mohan on Monday is plus 2000 rupees. Okay na? So in positive value. So it is a positive integer. Next, amount withdrawn. That means we are taking out the money. So we are taking out the money means we are removing the money from the account. That means we have to keep the negative sign, that is minus 1642. So if we do this calculation, we will get the final balance of Mohan's account. So if we take away 1642 from 2000, we get 368 rupees. So final balance in Mohan's account is 368 rupees. Understood children? So with this we'll end up children. We'll see the remaining questions in the next video. Until then, thank you children. Keep smiling. Have a nice day.